boys and girls, fellow travelers, how are you? My name is CK and I make travel video, and I'm in the town of Kuala Tahan. This small but charming town is the gateway to Taman Negara. I think one of the greatest assets for this country is we own one of the oldest virgin rainforests in the world, and I am finally getting to visit this virgin rainforest, which is over there. So I have to take a ferry to go across the river. I heard it's only 1 ringgit, I don't know. So I have to take a ferry from here to over to that side to my hotel, and we're going to visit the oldest virgin rainforest in the world. They just opened this week, and we're going to be one of the first batch of visitors to see this rainforest, and I'm super excited. I've been wanting to come here all my life, and finally I get the chance to. Just crossed the river and I'm officially in Taman Negara, the national park. I've drove 4 hours from Kuala Lumpur to be here, and I'm staying at the very nice Mutiara Resort. The resort is just conveniently right across the river, and let's check this place out.
Mutiara Taman Negara Resort has a superb rainforest setting overlooking the Tembeling and Tahan rivers. Being the only resort inside the national park boundary, it is an ideal place from which to explore the surrounding area. A total of 87 Malaysian-style wooden chalets and bungalows dotted the resort.
I have plenty of experience walking to my hotel room, but this has got to be one-of-the-kind experience. I mean, the walk towards my room itself is so enjoyable. You can really feel the humidity of this rainforest. It's very humid here, and I'm sweating like crazy. It's just a minute walk, but I'm just really sweating like crazy. Taman Negara is 4,343 square kilometers big. This is almost as big as the country of Brunei, and if you're an American, it's as big as the state of Connecticut. So it's really, really huge. Look at the size.
And my first activity here in Taman Negara is going rapid shooting, one of the most exhilarating activities to be doing in Taman Negara, and it certainly promised to be an unforgettable experience for me. Starting at Kuala Tahan, the journey sees me oft speeding down Sungai Tembeling. The Tembeling River is the main tributary to the Pahang River, with thick rainforests lining the banks to either side of me. My guide is navigating the small wooden boat through 7 rocky rapids. As you are liable to get quite wet and shaken about, you're better off leaving any valuables at the hotel. While shooting the rapid is loads of fun, the scenery on show is no less stunning, with amazing views of the river and jungle greeting you wherever you go.
Good morning. It's my first morning in Taman Negara, the rainforest. I slept very well last night, but I can tell you I am definitely sleeping in forest. The noise is just, there's so much noise. You have insect, birds, and then you have the monkeys. I was woken up by the monkeys this morning. I think they were playing on my roof and making a lot of noises. And most animals now are nocturnal, so they come out at night. They're very active at night, and it doesn't really bother me, but it's definitely very different from when you're sleeping at home. You think that you hear many insect noises when you're sleeping at home. Try sleeping in the virgin rainforest. It's like a freaking orchestra around you. It's just so many noise. I have been introduced to my guide, and the first activities we are doing is, of course, jungle trekking and the famous canopy walk. I cannot wait. Practically never been touched, and it's just a wealth of information here. Some of these trees are worth thousands and thousands of dollars with their herbs value and the best quality of timber to make furnitures. The rules in Taman Negara is very, very strict. I mean, if you take one of these leaves out of this park, you can be fined up to more than $1,000. So this virgin rainforest is very much well protected, and I think they should keep it that way. I am about 5 stories high. This is the mother of all canopy walk. It's 283 meter long, but it seems longer, but the view is priceless. So, boys and girls, that was our jungle trek and canopy walk here in Taman Negara. It's one of the best hike of my life, really. I mean, it's only about 2 hours hike to the summit and then to the canopy walk, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. I mean, it was 90% of the trail was with pavement. And the next activities we're going to do is a place called Lataperko. There's a waterfall there, but to get there we have to take a boat, about 20 minutes boat. It's supposed to be a very scenic ride and hike a little bit. That swim was priceless. I mean, no spa in all of Malaysia can compare to this. My GoPro didn't work, but I had an amazing swim. This is like the best day ever. Okay, boys and girls, that is my trip here at Lataperko and my fun day here at Taman Negara. I want to thank my guide Hamza for showing us the rainforest. I learned so much about the rainforest, and this is my first time in primary virgin rainforest, the oldest in the world. 14,000 species of trees, 700 different birds you can find here. And because of Hamza, I know all about this. So thank you, Hamza, and tell my audience why you should come to Taman Negara.
too many reasons.
Too many
Yeah,
reasons.
you know why? For health, example, if you are in the forest, you get full oxygen every time,
Yeah.
and then you suck the very smell, plant, herb,
The fresh air.
fresh air,
The fresh air
fresh air.
that's going to heal you.
And more important is, people say, if you love forest, so you are close to the God.
Oh, if you love nature,
Yes.
then you will love God.
Yeah.
To understand God, you must understand nature.
Yes.
Right? Yes. See, we are in the same kind of philosophy. So until my next video from the oldest rainforest. Bye.